Okay, we are going to be making Blueberry Pecan Waffle soaps. So I have some goat milk soap base cut up here, and then I have some clear soap base cut up here for the blueberries. We're going to make our embeds first. We're going to make our mini waffles and our blueberries. So I'm going to heat those up and come back. So I have found that gold is like the perfect color to use, but that's not how you put it in the soap. And we are going to be using Blueberry Pecan Waffles from Midwest Fragrance. Look at that, I just eyeballed it too. Right, let's see, I'm gonna put some alcohol, and now let's make our blueberries. I'm gonna add some sky blue. And get my blueberry mold. I am going to let those harden and then we will come back. Okay, so we are going to take our mini waffles and we are going to put 3 into this rectangular mold. I'll put 2 down first, and then the third one kind of leans against those. Okay, now we're going to get our blueberries and put them . So now we're going to get some syrup. So I'm going to take some clear melt and pour and heat that up. I'm going to use some brown coloring. And I'm putting the fragrance oil in the waffles and in the syrup because I don't want to put it in the clear base because this fragrance oil will discolor it brown. So I'm going to add it into this, but I'm also going to add a melt and pour color stabilizer that I got from Wholesale Supplies Plus. Because if not, it can discolor the clear soap we're going to be using for the rest of this. So I'm just gonna take this and kind of drizzle it over. I might need a little bit more brown coloring. Now, to give the effect of powdered sugar, I'm going to use this Luna Ultra Sparkle from Brambleberry. I'm going to let that syrup harden. And while I'm waiting for that to happen, I will cut up some clear melt and pour. So here's what it looks like right now. Alright, I'll be back. So I'm going to finish that last one off, and then when they have cured, I will come back and show you. I'm not happy with the clarity of the soap, but you get the idea. So here is how it came out. It would definitely look a lot better with a more clear soap. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.